Hi, welcome to Rozey K9 Farm. These are 3 brown standard poodle puppies that we have available. They are from 2 different litters. This one is Reebok's right there, and he is from Vivian and Gibson and was born 3-2. And then we have Maxwell there with the green collar, and then orange collar here, Folgers, and they were born 3-10 and are from Gabby and Gibson. Vivian and Gabby are sisters, and then they had the same dad. So these are 3 brown standard poodle puppies that we have available that are ready to go now. Just a week difference in age. We got Reebok's there, and Folgers, and then we have Maxwell there. Very rambunctious, three pups. We do have a couple of females also available, and I have another video that show them, and they are also solid browns. All these boys are solid browns, no white on them. There's Maxwell, and then Folgers. And we've got Reebok's there. So we are Rozey K9 Farm. That's ROZEYK, the number 9 farm.com. You can contact us at 616-892-1993. And we'd love to give you some more information on these boys or the 2 females. The females are out of our litter mates of Folgers and Maxwell. They are sisters to them out of Gabby and Gibson. Reebok's is the last one out of Vivian and Gibson's litter that is still available. He's playing tug-of-war there. Don't bite my toes, Reebok's. Alright guys, well, you can't be on top of me. Alright. I'd say Maxwell has the most laid-back personality, and then Reebok and Folger have more outgoing, a little more active. They are both. That one's Reebok's, and Folgers has the balls there. There's Reebok's with the rope. That one's Folgers. And then we got Maxwell here. Maxwell, you can't be by me. Get it? Boy. Hey, sweetie. Did you come to say hi? Huh, Maxwell? So they will come up to date on their vaccines and dewormings, and also are sold on a health guarantee. Still got your balls there, Folgers? And we got Maxwell back here chewing on a toy. Oh, you gonna take it out? All right, good boy. Oh, shake him around. There's Reebok's. So we have these 3 boys, and then we have, I'm sorry, we only have, there is 1 female still available, Toolies out of Maxwell and Folgers. Folgers, quit nipping. Then we got Maxwell here. So they have one sister still available. I'm sorry if I had mentioned two before. Rethinking it, and yes, there's only one female still available, and then these three boys that I have left of poodles. And then I do have some litters coming up this summer, end of May and 1st of June, and then those will be ready to go by August. Alright, Folgers. Where's a toy? Huh? Here. Get the toy. Yeah, you guys are going to be right at my feet. Alright, Folgers. Oops, where did you guys go? Now, you need to go play so I can get... There's the box. Maxwell. There's Folgers. Where did you guys go? Alright, guys. I'll try to get some new updated pictures of them. And hopefully they'll sit still for those. I'm not too sure. We will try our best though. So once again, we are Rozey K9 Farm. That's ROZEYK, the number 9, farm.com. And these are 3 brown, solid, standard poodle puppies that we still have available. And I just can't get the Folgers. You can't be right by me because then I can't get your picture. I know. Alright, boys. Should we say thanks for visiting? Say bye. Thanks for visiting.